Hello friends! Today we are going to create a C effect shadow text in Photoshop. First, open background layer setting, go to duplicate layer, remain as nail. Select document to new, press OK and back. Press C to activate the crop tool. Adjust the border around the seawater area. Press OK to confirm. Now, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 18.5. Press OK. Go to Layer Background Hold and Level setting will appear. Set the values like this. First 53 remains, second one as it is. Make third one 204 instead of 255. Now, save as PDF, go to File, Save As, choose PDF and give it a name.